What's up guys, it's Gianna and today I am reviewing the CurlQ by Skin Research Institute, and oh my god, you're not even ready for this tool right now. So this is literally a 5-in-1 tool. I repeat, 5-in-1, okay? It gives you 3 titanium curling rods of 3 different sizes for whatever curling size you desire, this ceramic straightening paddle brush here at the bottom, and this voluminizing round brush, okay? 5 different heads for one tool with multifunctional heat settings. This works for every hairstyle, every hair type, every occasion. It's like quite literally the only tool you'll ever need ever again. The ceramic straightening brush is this. It is so pretty, so sleek. It's perfect for on-the-go mornings and really good for anybody with frizzy hair, waking up in the morning just wanting to quickly kind of tame it, give it a shine, like a sleek, shiny finish on the go. It heats up so quickly, and it's basically just elevated brushing your hair, like salon level brushing your hair. It's lovely and magical. So for the round brush, you just click it into place, lock her in, and this is the round brush. This is one of my personal favorites because when I'm feeling frizzy and all that stuff, I love when my hair has a little bit of a curl underneath. Same sort of dealio, it's just a heated up brush. It's so easy for on the go, it's so easy for mornings. This is my go-to bad boy when I am literally in a rush, like brushing my teeth. By the time I'm done brushing my teeth, it's heated up. I do a couple passes over my hair, roll out those ends, and it looks healthy and beautiful and voluminous. As for these titanium bad boys, 3 different sizes, okay, which is perfection. Like for example, my hair right now, we're sporting a bit of like a bigger, chunkier, looser curl. What I personally did is I brushed out my hair with this just to get that like sleek shine going on. And then I went in with the thick barrel, just to kind of give it like that big, thick curl blowout kind of vibe. But depending on hair length, hair type, hair style that you're going for, like desired style, it is so unbelievably helpful to have the multi sizes, especially just to even mix up. Sometimes I'll play around and do like different areas of my hair with the different sizes just to add texture and like oomph, you know? They're amazing. And they all go on the same tool. 5 heads on one tool. Hello. This bad boy heats up to 450 degrees in 90 seconds. 90 seconds. When I say you can brush your teeth and this thing is hot and ready to go, I'm not exaggerating. Like, it also has a 45-minute auto shut off, so if you're forgetful like myself, it's really great. You never have to leave the house stressing out all day long and having anxiety attacks if you left it plugged in, because it will shut itself off for you. Honestly, I feel like one of my biggest complaints with curling irons or heat brushes or anything even similar to this tool, which there's not many things that are as multifunctional as this tool, like I've literally never seen it, but one of the main points that I've realized in other curling irons I've used is that A, they get too hot too quickly and burn and make my hair feel fried. Like when I take the rod off my hair, it's hot to the touch and you can feel the heat damage happening in real time. Also, when they get so hot like that, I notice that my curls fall out really quickly, and also just the heat distribution is uneven, so it leaves me with parts and chunks of my hair that are staying curlier than others. Granted, I have long hair that's pretty thick, so like any curl I do is going to always look a bit looser and wavier just from like the weight of my hair. But this tool makes it the most consistent, which is so nice. Also, most tools are heavy and bulky and hard to use and just so frustrating, especially for someone like me. I'm traveling a lot. So to have something like this that literally comes into little pieces and I can just pack the ones that I'm needing for that particular trip, or all of the above, or all of them if I'm feeling crazy about it. Like the rod gives a little Swiss. It's just incredibly easy to use, and it's one of a kind, truly. If you like variety in your hair and you're constantly looking for a tool that kind of shape-shifts to whatever you're going for in the day, I know I really like to mix it up with my hair. I'm not the most consistent. So having the variety of 5 tools in one is like the biggest game changer for me, and just makes it feel so easy. Instead of going and investing in 5 different tools and searching and high and low to have something for every single hairstyle that I want to go for. It's phenomenal. It's 10 out of 10. It's all of the things you need in a hair tool. The CurlQ is that. If you have been looking for a tool like this, I am telling you, this is it. Go into the link down below right now, give it a try, check it out yourself. Skin Research Institute makes the best tools ever, truly. They all have heat protected technology to evenly distribute heat and not fry your hair off. If you are on a hair health journey, this brand is also phenomenal for that. It makes me feel a lot better about using heat on my hair because the technology that goes into the products themselves are helping you prevent that damage. So this is great for in the moment styling, for creating the looks that you've been wanting to create, and also just keeping and maintaining the health and beauty and life in your hair. The CurlQ by Skin Research Institute, it's just gonna change the game for you. Take my word for it, give it a try, give it to someone you love that cares about their hair, all of the things. Go check this out, go check out their other products. A 5-in-1 tool. Treat yourself. Treat yourself to something good for you and your hair. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, and let me know if you try it and what your thoughts are and how much you love it, because you will. Bye.